Tradition and context. From the 3rd of the 7th month of 1446. Experience is not without context, nor ultimately unique in its fine details. Means and strategies of a place are secondary to what is for souls. How can the different address the same grounds? Familiarity doesn't mean agreeing to fit in. Identically believing or not is not the point. Reworking has an interfaith impact. A lack of composing for greater consciousness is something that transcends art. Now, something I should say about this graphic is that this is a supplication. It's not verses of Al-Quran. But you could technically say that Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim is. Because that you find 114 times in Al-Quran. Yes, I know Surah 9 doesn't start that way, but there's a verse later on that has that in it. Not in chapter 9, though.